So hey guys, I'm back with a creative tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Google form. So this is a big tutorial. So before this tutorial, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell and leave a thumbs up. So now let's start the Google form tutorial. So you all guys can see I'm in the Google form website. So you all guys can see contact information, RSVP, party invite, t-shirt sign up. So for this tutorial I'm using the blank sheet. So the black sheet comes with the purple. So my favorite color is blue. So I'm going to the theme option section and making the color blue, and for the header I'm going to use this one and I'm going to press insert. Now you guys can see the page background is quite beautiful. So now you guys can see 6 options: add question, import questions, add title and description, add image, add video and section. So you guys can see use those 6 options. Now I'm going to go settings. So required signing. I am not going to remit to response. I'm not going to do this because edit after submit means the respondents can edit the form. So I'm not going to do it. First, now I'm going to type something. Seji, anything. So I'm going to add question. Who is the first president of USA? Now I'm going to, so it's in the multiple choice form. So I'm going to see George George Washington and Abraham Lincoln. So I'm only adding two options. So I'm going to add a section. Now section means pages. So I'm going to add a section question. For example, so now I'm going to import an image. So I'm going to choose it from the browse, and I'm going to choose this one, and the photo is uploading to the Google form. Now you all guys can see so you can adjust the size of the picture, and you can add an image title if you like. So I'm going to add a question. So for this question, for the above image, I'm asking what is the name of the above brand. So you can do it by the short answer. So a paragraph mean a long answer text, and multiple choice you can select the correct answer from 4, 3 or 2 options. Then check boxes, that mean you can check any answers. Drop down, file upload, you can upload a file to this. If anyone asks you to upload a file in the quiz, you can upload this way. You can upload it from your folder. And the other thing, so for this quiz, for this form, I'm only using 2 questions. So I'm going to settings and going to quizzes. So to make this form a quiz, you can make this a quiz, and you can make this a quiz, and you can see missed questions and everything. So I'm going to enable all. save. So I saved. Now the different thing happens is, if you go, you can see a new option called answer key. So I'm going to answer key as this question. I'm going to 2 points per question. The correct answer George Washington, done. You can see the correct answer is George Washington. So for the next question, this is a file upload, no need to add correct or wrong question. So that's all. I teach you all the beginner stuff. And the other thing is, you can get a pre-filled link. That means you can try the form, and you can add collaborators. That means you can add some editors to this form. So I'm going to add collaborators, and you can see type your friends email or parents anything. So you the person can edit the form. So the last thing to do is, I'm going to go option send. You can send the link or the invitation to the responder or participant. So you can send it via email, and you can send it via link, and you can send it via HTML. So I'm going to go link, so it's easy. So this is a long URL. I'm going to show the URL and copy. You can paste that link in social media platforms and chatting platforms. So that's all. So hope you all guys understand my tutorial, and thank you for watching. So before I'm ending this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell and comment my video. So thank you for watching, guys. Bye.